Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing on a brand new Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat's powered with 300 horsepower Mercury V8 motor, and let's start here at the transom. An ample size swim platform, uh, more than ample size sun pad for 3 adults. You'll notice you have 2 cup holders, USB port for charging, quick access to a remote for the stereo, and welcome to the cockpit. There's no better social platform than this. Comfy, cozy, banquette style seating. We have a teak top table in the cockpit, as well as one up in the on the bow. We also have plenty of cup holders. We have induction charging on both sides for cell phones, as well as plugs, USB ports. You'll notice there's 2 speakers here. There's another 2 speakers here, and then we have 2 more up at the bow. This boat is outfitted with the upgraded sound system, so it also has an amp and upgraded speakers, as well as a kicker. Moving up to the helm, we now have an actual full 2-person helm seat. You'll notice there's twin SIMRAD screens. That's your GPS, your fish finder, easy access to all your hot buttons here. Additional switching is available inside the screens here. You have an additional induction charger here for your cell phone, a plug-in if you'd like that, a cup holder, and a binnacle mount. Moving a little further forward, this boat's been completely redesigned. So this has the new head. It's been moved over to the starboard side. As you notice, it is huge. So you can use it as a bathroom and for storage. Whereas in the past, it was all heads of this boat size. When you toss bags down below, then you couldn't use the head. You'd have to pull them all out. But you have a sink and easy access. Okay, moving up to the bow, you'll see that this redesign has now enabled the boat to accommodate even more seating than before. You probably fit about 7 adults forward here. Beautiful teak top table. Again, 4 cup holders, chargers for your cell phones. This boat particularly has the optional automatic windlass. So that has the automatic anchor. And underneath that hatch is also a fold-out swim ladder. Might be useful for people that have sandbars they pull up to. You also have a freshwater washdown sprayer right next to the anchor, so if there's any muck or sand on your feet or on the anchor when it comes up, you can rinse it off. There's also one at the stern I forgot to mention. And in addition, this boat is yacht certified, which means there's not a U.S. Coast Guard concern for the number of people that are on the boat. It's up to the captain's discretion within reason. So again, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax of Norwalk, Connecticut. This boat is brand new. It's on site in Norwalk. It's available. Give me a call. See if I can answer any more questions for you. Love to chat with you. Have a great day.